In this video, I will show you how to connect Square Appointments to Facebook. So step number 1 is to have a tab open where you're signed in to your Square Appointments account and where you are signed into your Facebook account. Now make sure you're on the correct page, and then on your Facebook page you want to click on these 3 dots right here, and I believe you need to have a business page to do this, but click on the 3 dots right there and then click Add Action Button. From here click Try It. And then you want to click Book Now right here and click Next. Now we are going to connect another tool being Square, so click on this. And it is under the name Appointments for Square. So click on it right here. And then here click Continue. And then if you already have a tab open where you're signed in, it should sign you in automatically. And then from here you can just select your business to connect. So I only have this one. And then click Continue. And now it will be connected. Then you will see your pixel, your ad account and stuff like that. But that doesn't really matter if you just want to have the booking button. But if you do also want to run ads, then it is also connected now. But click continue again, then click continue. And now it's preparing your assets to connect to Appointments for Square. And now it's essentially linking Square Appointments to Facebook. So wait for this to finish. And then it says you are all set. Now that you've connected your website to Facebook, you can help more people discover your business, find people likely to buy your products and services, and measure the results. So click done. And now you have added a booking button to your Facebook profile. So that's how to connect Square Appointments to Facebook. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.